Today we are going to be talking about some new sounds that we have. Okay, so if we look at our screen right here, we have the whole alphabet. And then at the very bottom, we have some new cards for today. And you might notice that these cards all have 2 letters on them. And these cards are for all of our digraphs, okay? And our digraphs are 2 letters that are put together because they make one sound. If we look at our first digraph, WH, like as in whistle, it makes the W sound. Our second digraph is the CH digraph, like a chin. And when we put those 2 letters together, they make the ch sound. Our next digraph is the SH digraph. And when we put those 2 letters together, like in the word ship, it makes the sh sound. Our next digraph is TH, like as in thumb, and it makes the th sound. And our last digraph is the CK digraph, like in sock, and it makes the k sound. So these are all of our new digraphs. We can use some of these digraphs in words that we know. So if we have the word mash, like mash some potatoes, I can tap out that word. So if I tap out, my first sound is my second sound is and my third sound is sh, sh, mash. And that SH, even though it has 2 letters, just like here on our screen, because they say those 2 letters say one sound, we tap them together for sh. Okay, let's try it again with some other words. What about if I have the word duck? Let's tap that out. Duck. I'm going to go over here to my letter grid and I'm going to write these words. Okay, so I'm going to write my word duck on my line. D, U, C, K. Okay, so if I tap this out, I have D, K. If I look at my word, I can underline my digraph, my CK digraph. Okay? If I have the word chop, let's write the word chop. I have C, H, O, P. And if I tapped out this word, that ch sound, and that CH, that digraph, CH, together, those 2 letters make the ch sound for chop. You're doing a great job, first grade. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk about 2 new trick words for today. Our first trick word is the word as, A-S. Our second trick word is the word has, H-A-S. And these 2 words look very similar. And remember, these 2 words are trick words because we can't tap them out on our fingers to help us read them. These are words that we just have to be able to see and read. If I go back to my line, I'm going to practice writing these words. So let's start with the word has. I'm going to write my H, my A, and then my S. And then over here in blue, I'm going to write the word as. So I have A, S. Great job, first grade. Now we're going to practice using these two trick words in some sentences. So our first sentence, this one looks like a really long sentence. We have Meg is as tall as I am. So if I type in here, I have Meg is as tall as I am. And when I look at my sentence, I see right here, I have my capital letter to start our sentence. Over here, I have my period to end my sentence. And if I look, this letter I is capitalized too. And that's because if we have the word I in a sentence, we always capitalize it, no matter where it's at. Now I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to find one of our trick words from today. And I see it 2 times in our sentence. That's right, it's as. We have as here and here. Okay? 2 times. Great job finding that word, first grade. Now we're going to move on to our second sentence. Tom has 5 pennies. Let's write that. Tom has 5 pennies. And I see that I have my period right here at the end of our sentence, and at the beginning of our sentence, I have my capital letter. And I have one of our new trick words in this sentence. Can anybody help me find that trick word? That's right, our trick word is right here. It's the word has. Great job, first grade.